How to get more calls from your webinar funnel with the Hot 7 ad sequence. Now, over the next few minutes, I will show you how to use the Hot 7 conversion ad sequence to turn your webinar views into booked calls. Hey, do you want my Hot 7 ad sequence templates? Set this all up in less than an hour? Just drop the word hot below and I can send these over to you. Hi, I'm Tina Sanford and I'm the founder of tinasanford.com. Since 2020, I've specialized in advertising for businesses worldwide, and more recently focusing on highly effective, low-cost video ads. Now, I did retire in 2010, but now I'm here to help you leverage video ads to grow your business, but more importantly, to free up your time. So let's talk about how you can get more booked calls directly from your webinar funnel using my Hot 7 conversion ad sequence. Now, one of the biggest challenges that my clients face is this. Their ads are bringing leads, and those leads are watching the webinar, but very few of them actually take the next step and booking the call. Now, most business owners try to fix this by doubling down on their initial ad campaigns, hoping that that will drive in more traffic. But the problem is not traffic. It is what happens to the warm leads who do not convert right away. And without a strategic follow-up plan, these potential clients are often forgotten, and that is where all the money is. That is where the Hot 7 conversion ad sequence comes in. This strategy is designed to re-engage with those warm leads through a targeted series of retargeting ads, moving them through a step-by-step plan from awareness into action. So why does this work? Well, it works because it builds the relationship that you've already started. Now, these ads remind your leads about your offer. They actually address their objections too, and then it encourages them to book a call when the timing feels right for them. And if you'd like to set up these ads for your own funnel, I've actually created a free resource for you. So just drop the word hot below and I will send you my Hot 7's ad sequence templates. Now these templates will show you exactly what to say in each ad, so you can actually start turning more of your webinar views into booked calls today.